Good evening, BRB. Ito nga pala si John Umali. Sa mga hindi pa nakakakilala sa akin, medyo gabing-gabi na, no? Kinatamad pa kasi ako matulog. Napagtripan. So, kakanta ako ng a cappella song. Hope you guys would like it. Right from the start, you were a thief, you stole my heart. And I, your willing victim. I let you see the parts of me that were not that pretty. And with every touch, you fixed them. You've been talking in your sleep. Wow, things you never say to me. Wow, tell me that you've had enough of our love, our love. Just give me a reason, just a little bit's enough. Just a second, we're not broken, just bent. And we can learn to love again. It's in the stars, it's been written in the scars in our hearts. We're not broken, just bent. And we can learn to love again. So, yun lang. Konti lang para hindi masyadong mahaba-haba. So, good night, BRB. Hope you would like my video.